Will I get in trouble?
Yeah, you go in there.
No, I'm talking about, okay.
Do you know where it's at in there?
Push it over there.
Over there?
Yeah. Right behind that tree over there. Come here. I would rather for you, because I don't want to get in trouble and things, you know what I'm saying?
Hang on, let me get one other person over here real quick.
Because it's in her name. So I'm not going to get in no trouble and nothing like that.
Did you put it on it?
No, sir.
Did she?
Yeah, she just pushed it over there.
Hey, Sarge.
Okay, great. Work. Great.
I was just like kind of nervous.
I get it. You're like, what the hell's going on?
Yeah, because I was at best find it and some kids.
Want me to make great meat? That. 2018 right now.
I was like down back.
2018. Then I'll do one V cars and two V cars and one here.
Like that. Like I said, I'm
2018 that.
I appreciate that.
yes, sir. Because I don't want to get in trouble and anything. And this right Christmas time.
Oh, I completely get it.
Y'all see the greens on the table.
Oh, yeah, I saw it. Look,
I just came over
been
for
good.
the holidays. Yes, sir.
Hello?
So I can just come back over there?
Well, we don't need it because we found where she pitched it.
You good with him leaving there?
Yes, sir. Yes, you were good. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Sir. I really appreciate it.
Merry Christmas to you.
Okay, same to you, so I can make sure everything done and lock me
Hang
out
on,
there.
Simon.
Well, I want to clean the house up if I go to the hospital.
I'd wait.
We're going to hold off on that for a little
Yes,
bit, okay?
Okay.
Let us finish up some stuff, and then whenever we're done, we'll let you get in there.
Thank you very much. It won't be much longer.
Go ahead. Simon, go ahead. Yeah, she... Well, it's not in the house because she pitched it.
283.
Yeah. So she came running out the back.
There's spots on the sidewalk, so it's legit that she ran it over.
Yeah, so after she
20 seconds.
comes across the courtway and then tries to hide behind
Go ahead.
on a tree.
Sorry.
No, I think it's in her name. I don't know that yet. Here's the other thing. Brother's wife is called in and said that she shot her brother first. So she might try to do this. No, they called in from their place over in York Tower. Thanks, dude. Yeah.
Sarge, you said there was blood somewhere back here?
So, but yeah, it's in the call for service that the supposed suspect, Keith, his wife, called in and said that her husband is back at their apartment, his car is shot up, and that she's the one that shot first. So. Okay. Well, I'm getting ready. We were literally getting ready to walk over to Platinum to look at their video that they've got, and then boyfriend came up and basically said, "Hey man, I know what to do." He's like, "It's over here behind the tree."
Oh, no, I'm just saying that if we can put that in our hand, absolutely.
All right. Well, we're gonna let us pick this gun up, and then we're gonna go look at the video over at Platinum, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Yeah. I'm sure she is. So. But yeah, boyfriend basically banged her out. Said Yeah, after she got shot, she came running out the back. She's like, I don't know what the fuck's going on. And then she runs over here and pitches the gun. So, but all right. I don't even know. I have to ask them. I'll go back and look. But where's that blood at?
It's right here.
Okay. All right, sounds good. We're gonna take some pictures and then head over to Platinum.
See exactly what she told us this way.
All right, see ya.
You light or no light?
Light. Well, that was really nice of the boyfriend to.
Trouble.
Yeah, she gave some scent anyway.
Good.
But I think she failed to mention to Simon that she pitched the phone.
Oh, of course you did. You got pictures of it?
I got one, still one. Probably need to get some better ones once we get it picked up. Is it covered in blood?
It is. That's why I got those ones. I was going to grab it for you. It's not clear, so.
Okay.
You good?
Yep. You need a light? Here. Awesome.
Clear.
Yeah. What's this serial?
Glock 43.
Glock 43.
9mm. Serial number is Adam Edward Union King 437.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Any other 128 or 118 will be
Okay.
held at Dollar
So
General
the 5 rounds,
23 in Broadway.
that's going to be the Draco that was fired. So he fired first. All right. So, all right. I appreciate it. Yep. Sounds good. All right. We're heading over to Platinum now. So.
2 on Baker Radio.
All right. Okay. You said we got a conclusion?
They're on both.
Shot fire. Who's at the shot? Where's the question?
216 Charlie.
You got it?
216 Charlie
I just
9
put it in the pocket. I never put it in.
So 2 shots.
No, it's 2.